First tonight at 6, Republicans ask for an investigation into a Dane County judge. It follows a decision yesterday on the voter ID law and the judge involved signing a recall petition.
But not everyone believes there's a conflict of interest here. Political reporter Jessica Arp has more on this controversy. Jess?
Well, Judge David Flanagan, who issued the ruling, is not commenting today, but others allege he violated a judicial code of ethics.
So all of the available evidence suggests that it simply doesn't occur with any frequency.
Days after hearing arguments in court, Judge David Flanagan temporarily barred the state's voter ID law in a written decision. But it's what he wrote months ago that has some concern.
Judge David Flanagan made public his political opposition to a defendant in a case over which he's presiding.
The Republican Party of Wisconsin has filed a formal complaint against Flanagan with the Wisconsin Judicial Commission, claiming he should have disclosed his signature on a recall petition against the governor or recused himself from the voter ID case.
Judges are set to a higher standard of conduct than regular citizens. They have a duty to those over who they preside to be impartial.
Former Supreme Court Justice Janine Geske says it's not as concerning as some may think, but does believe there should have been some disclosure.
I wish he would have disclosed it at the beginning of the case so that all the parties would have known, and if somebody wanted to make an argument that he shouldn't hear the case, he could have heard it and decided it before he issued the lengthy, very well thought out decision.
Now, I spoke to UW Law professor Ralph Kagel today, who said he didn't think that disclosure was even necessary, saying that the issue the judge was deciding was separate from the governor altogether. The Judicial Commission would not comment on the case today, but it likely won't come before them until their next meeting at the end of April.
And the lawsuit itself, Jess, is there an appeal in the works?
Well, the Attorney General said in a statement today that he would move quickly to appeal, calling the law, quote, properly enacted and legally sufficient. The attorney for the NAACP said today he didn't believe there was any violation here and called the judge fair and impartial.
Jessica Arp reporting from the newsroom tonight. Jess, thanks.